So here we have multiples of 2, and we can see that we have various different exponents for 2. So let us start with the numerator. I know that if I have anything raised to the power of 0, that will become 1. So this will be 1 multiplied with the rest. So we have 1 multiplied with 2 to the power of minus 1 plus minus a half. So what I'm doing is I'm adding the exponents of the 2's in the numerator together. Now what I already know is that if I have minus 1 and I add negative a half, that becomes minus 1.5, which is the same as saying negative 3 over 2. And I notice that the exponent of negative 3 over 2 is already in the denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this answer in my numerator and write it as negative 3 over 2. And that is over 2 to the power of negative 3 over 2 times 2 to the power of negative 2. And the reason why I do that is because now I can cancel out the 2 to the power of negative 3 over 2. So it's important to not just go blindly into a solution, but inspect the solution, and sometimes you can simplify your answer as you are working through it. So I'm left with 1 over 2 to the power of negative 2. And we have already learned how to rewrite this. This will become 2 to the power of positive 2, which is equal to 4.